Guys, this channel has gained over 58,000 subscribers in just 25 videos, and almost all of its videos are getting hundreds of thousands of views. This channel mainly creates Ants War colony battle type videos, exactly the kind of content you're seeing on your screen right now. So, welcome to our new channel. We're really glad to have you here, and in this first video I'm going to show you step by step how to create these exact kinds of viral videos using only free AI tools. So if you want to make videos like this too, make sure you watch till the end. First, click on the custom GPT link given in the description and open it. Once it opens, you'll see a start button. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you start, ChatGPT will give you around 10 video ideas, just like you can see on the screen right now. Now here's what I did. Out of those top 10 ideas, I selected number 2 because it looked the most interesting to me. I copied that idea, then pasted it below and hit enter. After that, ChatGPT asked me for the video duration. You can choose any duration you want, but for this example, I'm creating a 1-minute video. So I entered 1 minute and pressed enter. And just like that, ChatGPT generated a complete 1-minute story for me, as you can see on your screen. After that, ChatGPT will ask you how you want to generate the prompts, whether you want to generate everything at once or line by line. So here, I selected the line by line option because this method gives us much more accurate and consistent image and video prompts. It helps maintain character consistency and every scene matches perfectly. Now, I scrolled up and copied the first line of the story, just like you can see on the screen. Then I came back to ChatGPT, pasted it below, and pressed enter. After that, ChatGPT generated an image prompt and a video prompt for that exact line. As you can see right now, I followed the same process for every single line of the story and generated all the image prompts and video prompts step by step. You can do the same, just follow this exact process and generate all your prompts easily and consistently. Now the next step is to generate your images. First, copy your image prompt, then open Flow AI in your browser. Once it opens, click on New Project and paste your image prompt there. Now go to the settings where you need to select the image aspect ratio, quantity, and model. After setting everything up, just press enter. Within a few moments, your image will be generated. As you can see on the screen, our image is ready. And the best part is, it looks very similar to the style of the channel we're trying to recreate. Now follow the same process to generate all your images using your prompts. As you can see, I've already generated multiple images using this exact method. Now the next step is to convert your images into videos. For this, you need to follow the process step by step for each image. So first, I copied the video prompt for scene 1, just like you can see on the screen. Then I went to Flow AI and clicked on settings. In the settings, I selected the video option, set the aspect ratio, and set the quantity to 1. After that, I chose the model VEO 3.1 Lite. After that, click on start, then select the first image, paste the prompt, and press enter. Within a few moments, our video was generated, as you can see right now. I've also created 2 more videos using the same method. You can check those out as well. Now you can follow this exact process to convert all your images into videos step by step. So now I've explained the entire process step by step. And by following this, you can easily create videos just like these. After that, you can use any software to edit your videos and turn them into a complete final video. If you want me to teach you the full A to Z editing process, from start to finish in detail, then I've also created a long video, around 5 minutes, where everything is explained step by step in a very simple way. So if you want to watch that video, make sure this video hits 100 likes and comment part 2 below. So guys, just a small request. Since this is a new channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.